Hello and welcome back to our channel, Educational Psychology. In today's video, we will delve into the intriguing topic of the psychology of money. Money is a fundamental aspect of our lives, and our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors surrounding it can significantly impact our financial well-being. Understanding the psychology of money is crucial for making informed financial decisions and achieving financial success. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Money mindset. Our relationship with money is shaped by our money mindset, which includes our attitudes, beliefs, and emotions about money. Let's explore how our money mindset influences our financial behaviors. Subsection 1.1. Money scripts. Money scripts are deeply ingrained beliefs we hold about money, often formed during childhood. These scripts influence how we perceive money, spend it, save it, and invest it. Identifying and understanding our money scripts can help us uncover any negative or limiting beliefs that may hinder our financial success. Subsection 1.2. Money personality types. Money personality types refer to the unique ways individuals approach and handle money. Some people are natural savers, while others are spontaneous spenders. Some are risk takers in investments, while others are more conservative. Understanding our money personality type can help us leverage our strengths and mitigate our weaknesses when it comes to managing money. Section 2. Emotional drivers of financial behavior. Our emotions play a significant role in our financial decision-making. Let's explore how emotions influence our financial behaviors. Subsection 2.1. Fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety can lead to irrational financial decisions. The fear of losing money or making poor investment choices can cause individuals to avoid necessary risks or engage in impulsive decision-making. Understanding and managing our fears and anxieties can help us make more rational financial choices. Subsection 2.2. Greed and overconfidence. Greed and overconfidence can lead to excessive risk-taking and speculative behaviors. When driven by the desire for quick and significant financial gains, individuals may overlook potential risks and make impulsive or ill-informed investment decisions. Balancing ambition with realistic expectations and risk assessment is crucial for long-term financial success. Subsection 2.3. Impulse control. Impulse control, or the ability to resist immediate gratification for long-term benefits, plays a vital role in financial well-being. Impulsive spending, impulsive investments, and excessive debt can be detrimental to our financial stability. Developing strategies to improve impulse control, such as setting financial goals and creating budgets, can help us make more responsible financial choices. Section 3. Cognitive biases in financial decision-making. Cognitive biases are common patterns of thinking that can lead to irrational financial decisions. Let's explore some cognitive biases and their impact on our financial behaviors. Subsection 3.1. Loss aversion. Loss aversion refers to our tendency to feel the pain of losses more acutely than the pleasure of gains. This bias can lead to holding on to losing investments for too long, avoiding necessary adjustments to our financial strategies, and missing out on potentially more profitable opportunities. Being aware of loss aversion can help us make more objective investment decisions. Subsection 3.2. Confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek information that confirms our existing beliefs and ignore or downplay contradictory evidence. This bias can prevent us from objectively evaluating investment opportunities or considering alternative financial strategies. Actively seeking diverse perspectives and challenging our own beliefs can help counter confirmation bias. Subsection 3.3. Anchoring bias. Anchoring bias occurs when we rely too heavily on initial information when making financial decisions. For example, we may anchor our expectations of investment returns to past performance or expert opinions without considering current market conditions. Recognizing anchoring bias can help us make more informed and unbiased financial choices. Section 4. Overcoming psychological barriers to financial success. While our psychology can pose challenges to financial success, there are strategies we can employ to overcome these barriers. Let's explore some techniques for improving our financial decision-making. Subsection 4.1. Financial education and awareness. Financial education is key to improving our financial decision-making. By increasing our knowledge of personal finance, investments, and risk management, we can make more informed choices and avoid common pitfalls. Staying aware of our financial behaviors and biases is also crucial for making conscious financial decisions. Subsection 4.2. Goal setting and planning. Setting clear financial goals and creating a comprehensive financial plan can help us stay focused and disciplined. By defining our short-term and long-term objectives, we can align our financial decisions with our aspirations and make choices that support our financial well-being. Subsection 4.3. Seeking professional advice. Seeking professional financial advice can provide valuable insights and guidance. Financial advisors can offer objective perspectives, help us assess risks, and provide strategies tailored to our specific financial goals and circumstances. Collaborating with professionals can enhance our decision-making and increase our chances of financial success. Understanding the psychology of money is essential for taking control of our financial lives. By recognizing our money mindset, managing our emotions, and overcoming cognitive biases, we can make more informed and rational financial decisions. Remember, financial success is not just about the numbers, it's also about understanding ourselves and aligning our behaviors with our financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.